Session 17 of Unit 2 of Taxation of 5th Sem BBA of Mangalore University. Under this session, we shall study deductions under Section 80 QQB, 80 RRB, 80 TTA, 80 TTB and 80 U. To understand the deductions allowed for SSC, to comprehend the method of computation of deductions, 80 QQB is for royalty income of authors. An individual who is resident in India, who is an author, including a joint author, of book being a work of literary, artistic or scientific nature, the deduction shall be the whole of such income, that is royalty maximum at the rate of 15% of the value of such books sold, less expenses attributable to such income, or rupees 3 lakhs, whichever is less. 80 RRB, royalty on patents. An individual who is resident in India, a patentee, in receipt of income by way of royalty in respect of a patent registered after 31st March 2003 under the Patents Act 1970. The deduction is whole of such income or rupees 3 lakhs, whichever is less. 80 TTA is for interest on savings account. An individual is entitled in respect of interest on deposits in savings account with the bank, a cooperative society engaged in carrying on the business of banking, or a post office. The deduction shall be whole of such income or rupees 10,000 in aggregate, whichever is less. No deduction shall be allowed in respect of such income to any partner of the firm or any member of the association of persons or body of individuals. 80 TTB, interest on deposits in case of senior citizen. A senior citizen is entitled to deduction, and the deduction shall be allowed in respect of interest on deposits with the bank, a cooperative society or a post office, and the deduction is whole of such income or rupees 50,000 in aggregate, whichever is less, and the senior citizen is of age of 60 and above. Under Section 80U, the deduction is in respect of person with disability. A resident individual who at any time during the previous year is certified by the medical authority to be a person with disability, and the quantum of deduction is rupees 75,000 in case of disability, and if there is severe disability it is rupees 1,25,000. So the recap of this session: 80 QQB, royalty income of authors; 80 RRB, royalty on patents; 80 TTA, interest on savings account; 80 TTB, interest on deposits in case of senior citizen; and 80 U with regard to the person with disability. References: